Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Open Settings and make sure Screen Recording is in Control Center, then swipe to open Control Center. Long press the Screen Record button and tap Microphone Audio so the recording captures your voice and device mic. Once done, tap Start Recording and immediately open FaceTime. This step ensures your device mic is live when the call begins. Without it, the system will record video only. Make sure volume is reasonable and that you won't cover the mic during the call. Join the FaceTime call and put audio on speaker to let the phone mic pick up the other person. Alternatively, use wired earbuds with mic so both sides mix cleanly. On a Mac, open FaceTime, then use QuickTime or Screen Capture and enable system audio via an audio routing tool. This records both ends cleanly. Once set, do a short test clip to verify levels. Make adjustments. Lower speaker volume if clipping, or raise your mic gain if you sound distant to balance voices. End the recording and immediately review the clip in Photos to confirm both voices are audible. If audio is missing, first confirm microphone audio was enabled in the screen recording control, then check Settings Privacy Microphone for FaceTime or related apps. If still silent, restart the device and retest, since transient permission glitches happen. As a fallback, record FaceTime on a Mac with dedicated system audio routing for reliable capture. This avoids phone mic limit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.